In 2014, an AI couldn't reliably recognize a cat in a photo. In 2024, AI passed the bar exam, wrote symphonies, and diagnosed cancer faster than doctors. You are watching the slowest day of AI's development for the rest of your life. Most people think AI is just a chatbot you type questions into. That's like looking at the Wright brothers' first plane and saying, yeah, flying will never be a big deal. Right now, AI systems are diagnosing diseases from a single scan with 94% accuracy, writing code that other engineers can't distinguish from human work, running hedge funds that outperform Wall Street's best traders, generating entire movies from a single text prompt, and all of this is the primitive version. The AI you're using today is the worst AI you will ever use for the rest of your life. Every year from here, it compounds. By 2027, most industry experts agree on one thing: white-collar jobs will feel the first shockwave, not factory workers, not truck drivers, not manual labor, lawyers, accountants, radiologists, journalists, programmers. McKinsey estimates that 30% of current work tasks will be automated by 2030. Goldman Sachs puts that number at 300 million jobs globally affected. But here's what nobody tells you. It won't happen like a switch flipping. It will happen like a tide coming in. First, one tool replaces one task, then one tool replaces one role, then one tool replaces one department. The people who will survive this aren't the ones who ignore AI. They're the ones who learn to work with it faster than everyone else. Here's where it gets stranger. AI is leaving the screen. Boston Dynamics robots can now run, jump, and perform tasks in environments too dangerous for humans, and they're getting cheaper every year. Tesla's Optimus Robot, a humanoid designed to do household and factory work, is already in limited production. Elon Musk's target price? Under $20,000. That's cheaper than a car, figure AI. A startup backed by Jeff Bezos and Microsoft, has robots already working in BMW factories. By 2030, analysts predict there will be more AI-powered robots than there are humans in the global manufacturing workforce. Think about that. Not helping humans, replacing the workforce entirely. And unlike software, these things have hands. Now we get to the part that keeps the world's smartest people up at night. AGI, Artificial General Intelligence. A machine that doesn't just do one thing well, it does everything well. It learns, it reasons. It solves problems it was never trained on, just like a human, but without sleep, without breaks, and without limits. Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, believes a GI will arrive before 2030. Demis Hassabis of Google DeepMind says the same. Even Geoffrey Hinton, the man called the godfather of AI, who spent his career building this technology, resigned from Google in 2023 specifically to warn the world about what's coming, he said. And this is a direct quote, that he was scared, not because AI is evil, but because we are building something. We don't fully understand faster than we can build the guardrails to contain it. So what do you actually do with this information? First, stop treating AI as a threat and start treating it as a tool. The people winning right now are not fighting AI. They're riding it. Learn one AI tool deeply this year, whether that's ChatGPT, Midjourney, Claude, or a coding assistant. Pick one and become the most dangerous person in the room with it. Second, invest in skills AI can't replicate easily. Emotional intelligence, leadership, creative direction, critical thinking. These aren't going away. They're becoming more valuable. Third, pay attention. The next 10 years will move faster than the last 100. The people who saw it coming adapted. The people who didn't got left behind. We are standing at the edge of the most significant technological shift in the history of civilization. The only question is, which side of it will you be on? The AI that exists in 10 years will look at today's models. So the same way we look at a calculator from 1975, primitive, quaint, almost cute. You are living through the tutorial level. The real game hasn't started. Yet, if this changed how you see things, share it with someone who needs to hear it, and subscribe, because this is just part 1.